Hello guys, welcome to Fun Tech channel. In this YouTube video tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how you can create a YouTube channel. To create a YouTube, go to Chrome or Google and type youtube.com/create account, create channel. youtube.com youtube.com/create. This is it, create channel. So our video is loading. Let's wait for it to finish uploading. You can see this is our YouTube. It's loading. It's loading. You can see this is the account that I want to use. You can see this is the account that I want to use. So I will click on the account here, the E. Then your channel, you click on your channel. You can see create channel. going to create our channel, just having a problem. Just follow the step. Can be like a little tricky, but you are going to succeed with it. Just follow the step. Can see this is the account that I want to use. We click on the account here, the U. You can see create channel. You can see at the top here under my name, under Emmanuel Awuyemi. This is how you are going to create your own account. Then your name, Ematech, Ema underscore Ematech. We name my YouTube name, channel name Ematech. Save. Ematech again. Ematech underscore 20. Ematech underscore Asu. Can see, click on the create channel. Let's check, maybe we have created a channel. You can see view channel. Then more about this channel. You can see this is a new video. This is a new YouTube channel. So we have created our YouTube channel, and the next video will be how to customize our new channel to set up top. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please I will kindly beg you to subscribe now and like this video. Thank you. I will see you in my next video.